Hello, one and all. This is Dr. Abhijit Singh Jadeja for the VB.net. Today, after completing combo box and list box, today is a day to learn about radio button and checkbox. Here you know that one. This is a form where I give the title radio button and checkbox example, right click property, and into this property you can easily say that one. This is a text where text I can put it down whatever the things. It is my form header, and this is my form name radio and check example. But I make the title clear. This is my group box one. Please observe the right side group box property is there. Group box one's background color is this a light green color. This is radio button one where I make text male. I select male text. Then after this is a radio button when I in a text property I make female. And by this we work on it. And this is my label where I would like to get the data of the radio button. First of all, before I will move to the coding, this is necessary to revive or revise the events of all VB.NET that we learn. Form load event, done. Buttons click event, done. Text box got to focus event, done. Text box lost to focus event, done. Text box key press event, done. Combo box select index change event, done. In this channel you will find all the videos. You can learn all that event that I described right now in my text box video. All the three events I explained in combo box and list box video. You will get select index change event. Now friends, we will move to the new event of checkbox and radio button. Yes, the radio button and checkbox event is common event, that is check the change event. So I double click on the radio button and you can see that when I will find radio button 1 and the event name is check the change. Right? Handles radio button 1 dot check the change is there. I remove comma checkbox, radio button 2 dot check the change, and this is my code. I declare one x variable as a string, x as string. Then after I put one condition. If radio button 1 dot checked equal to true, then x equal to radio button 1 dot text. And you know very well, this is my radio button 1 and radio button text property, it is male. Look, same like this. This is my radio button 2 and the property is female. So I go to the code. My x will accept male. Else if radio button 2 dot checked equal to true, then x will be radio button 2 dot text equal to text. So x will store female and if is there, and label 1 dot text equal to x, my variable. But when I run the program, and according to that, you know very well that radio button click any one of this option. If there are multiple radio button is given, but you can allow only one selection. I run the program. I click on mail. In my label, mail comes. How? Radio button 1 dot check equal to true? Yes. Radio button 1 dot text mail will come to X and it will allocate to label 1. So mail is there. When I select female, male selection will disappear because radio button's basic nature is that you can select any one of it. And female comes because this else if part will true. Else if radio button 2 dot checked equal to true, then radio button 2 dot text means female text value of radio button 2 will pass to X and X will allocate it to label 1. So it will work very nicely, male, female. But do you observe one thing? I click on male, then this code is working. This no radio button is selected. But if I select female is not visible at label 1. To solve this problem, we can provide multiple event reference. I repeat, multiple event reference by comma. I give radio button 2 dot check the change. I provide both of it. Now, after handles, radio button check the change was there because I generate the event radio button 1 and the event is check change. But at the end, I provide the reference radio button after comma. I provide the reference of radio button 2 dot check the change, and now I run. Please kindly cooperate and concentrate. When I select female, yes, female comes, female text comes, male text comes to my level. If I select anyone, it is juggling and it works very well. So by this check the change event, I supply radio button 2 dot check the change and it will give me immediately effect. When I am not providing this thing, at that time when I was selected female as a radio button, that text was not coming in my level because I am not providing event reference. Multiple event reference मैंने यहाँ पे दे दिया है. Private sub radio button 1 underscore check change was there, but after the end of the events where handles are there. You look at the screen, handles radio button 1 dot check the change was there. Why? Because the event was radio button check change. When I provide comma radio button 2 dot check the change, I provide multiple process. In that case, if I select radio button 2 also, this code work. If I click on radio button 1, this code is work. So my dear friends, this was a code to understand. So the radio button program was very easy. On radio button 1 dot check change, I work and give the reference of radio button 2 dot check also. And when I provide this type of event, it is called multiple event reference. I would like to repeat my words, multiple event reference after handles. I would like to select it, and after handles, radio button 1 dot check the change was there, but I provide radio button 2 dot check the change, and same, you can see that one at the downside handles, checkbox 1 dot check change, comma, checkbox 2 dot check change, comma, checkbox 3 dot check change. Actually, the event was only one, checkbox 1 underscore check change. But I provide reference of this checkbox 2 check change, checkbox 3 check change. To understand checkbox, let me understand first very simply, then after we will go for the next one. Toolbox, button, right click property, submit, font is very small. And this buttons once click event, I take dim y as string, and then it is a chance of probability. What is probability? My favorite sports are 1, 2, and 3. It may be possible. I like cricket, I like football, I like air hockey. All three on. This is a condition. Look, checkbox 1 dot checked equal to true, and checkbox 2 dot checked equal to true, and checkbox 3 dot checked equal to true, means all three on. Then y equal to y plus. This is a shorthand operator of y string. As you know that one in your code, you can easily say and see that one dim y as string. So y plus equal to checkbox 1 dot text space, checkbox 2 dot space, checkbox 3 dot text, means I select all three, cricket, football, air hockey. Then the second part is all three off means I do not like any of this sport. So in this two code run, first true probability only, click, 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 submit, cricket space football space or air hockey. If I off all, submit, nothing comes, because whenever you have three options, the probability start with like this. All three I like, no one I like out of three. So this two. Now it may be possible out of three I like one and two, not three. I like two and three, not one. I like one and three, not two. So let me highlight the next three probability of this. I highlight the code and focus. Checkbox 1 dot checked equal to true, 1 on. Checkbox 2 dot checked equal to true, 1 on. And checkbox 3 dot checked equal to false means 1 and 2 on, 3 off. Means I like cricket and football but not air hockey. Now second, else if checkbox 1 dot checked equal to false means 1 not. But checkbox 2 dot checked equal to true. Checkbox 3 dot checked equal to true means I like football and air hockey but not cricket. Next, the last probability. Else if checkbox 1 dot checked equal to true, 1 on. Checkbox 2 dot checked equal to false, 2 not on. But checkbox 3 dot checked equal to true means 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is on, 2 is off. So let me run this probability more and make to understand. 1, 2, 3 all on. Yes, cricket, football, air hockey display at my label 2. How? By this label 2 dot text equal to y. It is a probability, it is a mathematics. If I off all, nothing. If I click first and 2 on, cricket and football comes. If I off this and I click 2 and 3 on, football and air hockey comes. If I like cricket and football only, in this probability any two are activated. 1, 2, 2, 3 and 1, 3. And when I click on this, cricket and air hockey is there. Now the third, the upper limit, the last probability chance is that it may be possible I like only one cricket, not football, not air hockey. At that time, checkbox 1 dot checked equal to true, but checkbox 2 dot checked equal to false. Checkbox 3 dot checked equal to false means जब मुझे क्रिकेट को ही पसंद करना है, फुटबॉल और एयर हॉकी को बंद करना है, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी की लास्ट संभावना देखते हैं हम लोग, और ये है. Else if checkbox 1 dot checked equal to true, but checkbox 2 dot checked equal to false, checkbox 3 dot checked equal to false, then only checkbox 1 data will pass to my y. And it may be possible this condition. I don't like cricket, I don't like air hockey, but I like football. So football is on my second checkbox. So check it out. Checkbox 1 dot checked equal to false and checkbox 2 dot checked equal to true and checkbox 3 dot checked equal to false. At that time, checkbox 2 value passed to my y. And the last probability is that I don't like cricket, I don't like football, I like air hockey. So checkbox 1 dot checked equal to false. Checkbox 2 dot checked equal to false. But checkbox 3 dot checked equal to true. At that time, my checkbox 3 text means air hockey will pass to y. After this and if, whatever the selection, this is label 2 dot text will get from y, and y is a string. So Let me check all the probability and you will enjoy this. If I select cricket, cricket. If I select cricket and football, cricket and football. If I select cricket, football and air hockey, okay. I like only football, I check off and check submit, football comes. If I make off all, then nothing will come. I like air hockey, then air hockey comes. I like football and air hockey. When I click on button, then buttons click event, football and air hockey comes. So all the 8 probability. How? 2 raised to 3. How many checkboxes are there? 3. And true false means 2. 2 raised to 3 means what? 2 multiplied to 4. 4 multiplied to 8. And these are 8 probability. So my dear learners, my dear friends, please kindly observe the probability of all. To make cut this code, Control X, Control V, button, and I would like to delete this button because there is no need of button now. Okay, click and check. Okay, cricket comes, football comes. That one. Look, all reference generate automatically change, and now I run all the checkbox 1, 2, 3 check change responses, and I run the program. And in this running program, Mihir like air hockey. Yes. Now, Rudra like cricket and air hockey. Yes. Maybe Satyarth like all these 3. Cricket, football, air hockey, all is working. If I make it all off, look, I just disable air hockey and my response, look, cricket and football is active. If I provide only cricket is my favorite sport, then cricket is there. If I provide this 2 reference, it will work for checkbox 2 also. It will work for checkbox 3 also. And I do not require buttons click event. In software engineering, you learn user-friendly software. I remove buttons click event, and on the quick response of my checkbox, whatever the checkbox I on and off, it will immediately give me the reference by multiple event reference of checkbox 1 reference provide, checkbox 2 reference provide, checkbox 3 reference provide by handles. This keyword is important in a VB.NET events coding. Thank you so much to learn with this. Thanks a lot.